again, Tiffany Hobbs, occupational therapist. Today I wanted to show you this emotional guidance scale. With everything going on with the pandemic, people staying at home, there's a lot more challenges that you probably haven't been facing with homeschooling the kids, working from home, trying to get groceries safely. There's just a lot going on. You guys know, you guys are doing it. So for the emotional guidance scale, what I really want to take away from this is that there's not just two emotions. There's not just sad and happy. This scale actually goes through 22 different emotions that you could be feeling at any given time. And I think that if you can increase your step, just one step above on the scale, then you need to give yourself credit for trying to make yourself feel a little better. So for example, you may be here at boredom because you think, you can't go anywhere, there's nothing to do, but maybe you can get to contentment. Maybe you're not joyful, maybe you're not happy, but can you feel content? Can you call a friend, watch a show? You're done with Netflix, you watched everything, you're bored. Okay. Is there a show that you like that's old that you can maybe get some laughs from? Maybe after you get content, you feel a little hopeful, like, okay, things aren't as bad. Or maybe you talked to a friend and they shared some good news with you and you just feel a little better. Then maybe you get to optimistic. And anywhere you are on the scale, that's fine. You have a right to feel anything that you want to feel. But I think if it can help to just know that we don't always have to jump from, oh, I feel bad to I feel good. There's so many other places that you can be. And I think if you just take a moment to try and get to the next stage, just do something or reframe your thoughts to get to the next stage of emotion, then that's a win. Sometimes that's just the best we can do, and that's okay. If you're down here, these are kind of the low ones: fear, insecurity, jealousy, discouragement. Again, just try to lift yourself up. None of these sound great, guys. There's discouragement, anger, revenge. But your goal is to just lift up one level. And if you can do that, then lift up another level. But don't set an unrealistic expectation that you're going to feel depressed and then all of a sudden feel joy. Like, what's wrong with me? Why do I feel the way I feel? How come I can't just be happy? It's a process for a lot of us, and that's okay. Whatever you're feeling, it's okay. This is just a little bit of a helpful guide that I found. Again, it's the emotional guidance scale, and I hope some of you find that helpful. All right, take care, stay safe.